Okay, everyone, welcome back to my another secret dimension. I found a secret item over here. Look, guys. Look, I'll show you. If you spawn this mysterious earth, look, it spawns. Guys, I'm telling the truth. If I spawn this thing, look. If I spawn an earth, it looks like a piece of bread. Maybe a potato or a bread. I don't know. Mom, I'm gonna find the different ones. Bro. We're gonna find out any earths. This is different. If I spawn this earth, look, just a stupid potato. What the hell, everyone? What the hell, guys? What the hell? Then you're supposed to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Bye bye, see you soon.